In today's video, we're diving into a topic that is both critical and often overlooked: the most hostile conflict regions within the BRICS nations. These countries, known for their emerging economies and significant global influence, also harbor areas plagued by violence, political instability, and social unrest. From the favelas of Brazil to the tense borders of India and Pakistan, each region presents unique challenges that impact not only local populations, but also international relations. Understanding these conflict zones is essential for fostering global awareness and empathy. As we explore these dangerous areas, we'll uncover the underlying issues that contribute to their volatility and discuss why it's crucial for us to stay informed about these pressing matters. Join us as we embark on this engaging and informative journey into the heart of conflict within the BRICS nations. The BRICS nations each host significant conflict regions that reflect their complex histories and geopolitical landscapes. In Brazil, the favelas are often battlegrounds for drug trafficking and gang violence, rooted in socioeconomic disparities. Russia faces ongoing tensions in Chechnya and Ukraine, where historical grievances and national identity play crucial roles. India grapples with conflicts in Kashmir, a region contested with Pakistan, steeped in decades of territorial disputes. China's Xinjiang province has seen unrest due to ethnic tensions and government policies, while South Africa struggles with high crime rates and social inequality, remnants of its apartheid past. Each of these conflict areas not only affects local populations, but also has broader geopolitical implications, influencing international relations and security dynamics. Understanding these regions is vital for grasping the complexities of global politics and the interconnectedness of today's world. The ongoing conflict in eastern Ukraine, which began in 2014, has its roots in political unrest and the annexation of Crimea by Russia. This conflict has led to a significant humanitarian crisis, displacing millions and causing widespread destruction in cities like Donetsk and Luhansk. The situation is particularly relevant to BRICS nations, as Russia's involvement complicates the group's dynamics. While Russia supports separatist movements, other BRICS members, like India and Brazil, have called for peaceful resolutions and respect for Ukraine's sovereignty. The conflict has resulted in severe humanitarian challenges, including food shortages, lack of medical care, and psychological trauma among civilians. As the international community watches closely, the implications of this conflict extend beyond Eastern Europe, affecting global security and the geopolitical landscape, making it a critical issue for BRICS discussions and international diplomacy. The Kashmir conflict, a long-standing territorial dispute between India and Pakistan, dates back to 1947 when British India was partitioned. The princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, with a predominantly Muslim population, became a flashpoint for conflict as both nations claimed it. The BRICS nations, particularly China and Russia, have shown varying degrees of involvement, with China asserting its own claims in the region and Russia maintaining relations with both countries. While BRICS as a group has not taken a unified stance, individual nations have occasionally called for dialogue and peaceful resolution. Human rights concerns in Kashmir remain critical, with reports of military crackdowns, civilian casualties, and restrictions on freedom of expression. The ongoing turmoil not only affects the local population, but also has broader implications for regional stability and international relations, making Kashmir a significant issue within the BRICS framework. The conflicts surrounding land use and indigenous rights in Brazil's Amazon rainforest are deeply intertwined with environmental and social implications. Deforestation driven by agriculture, logging, and mining threatens biodiversity and contributes to climate change, while indigenous communities face displacement and loss of their ancestral lands. Within the BRICS framework, Brazil's environmental policies have garnered attention, with other member nations like China and India being significant players in global trade that impacts the Amazon. While BRICS has made commitments to sustainable development, the enforcement of these policies remains inconsistent. The global significance of preserving the Amazon cannot be overstated, as it plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and maintaining biodiversity. Protecting this vital ecosystem is essential not only for Brazil, but for the entire planet, highlighting the need for collaborative efforts among BRICS nations to address these pressing issues effectively. BRICS nations play a significant role in shaping global conflict dynamics through various diplomatic strategies. These countries often advocate for dialogue and negotiation, promoting multilateralism as a means to resolve disputes. However, their economic interests can complicate these efforts. For instance, resource-rich regions may attract investments that align with national agendas, sometimes exacerbating existing tensions. The involvement of BRICS in conflicts can either foster peace or escalate hostilities, depending on their approach. While some member states push for peaceful resolutions, others may support factions that align with their geopolitical interests. This duality presents a complex landscape where BRICS has the potential to either stabilize regions through cooperative initiatives or contribute to further discord. Understanding this balance is crucial for assessing the group's overall impact on global peace and security. In this video, we explored the complex landscape of conflict regions within the BRICS nations, highlighting areas such as eastern Ukraine, Kashmir, and Brazil's Amazon. Understanding these conflicts is crucial, as they not only affect local populations, but also have far-reaching implications for global stability and international relations. We discussed the historical contexts, humanitarian crises, and the roles that BRICS countries play in these situations, emphasizing the need for informed dialogue and cooperation. If you found this content valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may be interested in learning more about global conflicts and their impact. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful discussions.